So after showing you my unboxing, I thought I would quickly go through some of the quality issues that I'm seeing with these items from Zara's haul. So first of all, let's look at the socks. The socks is pretty good. It's on the thinner side, but the quality is not bad. It's kind of standard. I wanted to get more socks for all the new sneakers I bought. If you want to see more sneaker videos, find it on my channel. And then I have a couple pair of pants from Zara. If you watch my previous Zara haul, you're probably familiar with this color. I did bought an overshirt that's kind of a match with these pants. It's a full set. At first I bought the overshirt, and then I decided, because I like the fabric, I decided to just go ahead and bought the pants as well. And then I also bought a pair of dress pants in khaki beige color. So in terms of their clothing, I do think they are a little better than H&M, because the fabric seems to be a little bit thicker, not as flimsy and thin and stiff sometimes with H&M's clothing. So I do feel like it's worth to check out Zara's clothing if you're looking to add new items to your wardrobe or refresh your wardrobes. But I do have the experience of buttons falling off from my Zara's clothing. If you don't know how to sew a button, you may want to learn that before buying clothing from Zara. Lastly, these are a couple of bag items that I bought from them. I haven't bought many bags from Zara. I saw that they're also selling some leather bags, so I may try that sometimes, but I'm a little bit nervous. So I thought, let's try some lower price item to see how is the quality before I just jump right over and bought some leather bags from them. So I believe this one is their, they call it their rib top tote bag or something. It does come with a crossbody strap. The quality of the crossbody strap is actually quite good. The webbing is quite thick and soft, but the bag itself is debatable. Let's put it that way. You have a D-ring that hook on the strap, but the fabric itself is really kind of on the thinner side, and it's not waterproof or water resistant at all. Like I tried to splash some water on it and it just absorbed right up. So it's probably just some cotton fabric tote bag. I do like that it has a pocket outside. And the hardware on this bag is not hard at all, because they are basically just plastic. So I guess you can say with bags like that, it's easier to wash. If you get it dirty, you probably can just throw it in the washer and done, and you don't have to worry too much about the bag or care for the bag at all. And then I also bought this belt bag, sling bag. I thought maybe I could try it in the fall when I start wearing my black jackets and overshirt and coat. This is actually my first belt bag, sling bag. Personally, I've never tried this style. I think if I wear it on the waist, it reminded me that when I was in Malaysia, those people who sell pirated DVDs, they tend to have a belt bag on them. So I just feel like if I wear it that way, it kind of reminded me of that. I know most of the trendy vloggers, they tend to wear it across their chest like that. But I have no idea how to do it. Do you unbuckle this before you put it on? Or you just put it on and sling over? It's kind of a little challenging. And I'm not sure, am I doing it the right way? Is the zipper supposed to be on the bottom side, is zipping up like that? It's kind of confusing to me. And I'm not sure this is the style that I can pull off. So I decided to just try it and see if I like it before I spend more money on belt bag and sling bag. Do you own any belt bag? Do you use them? Let me know how you style them. Thanks for joining me today. More unboxing and review video coming soon. So please subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any question. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!